Hey friends, if you wish to fix 0x643 error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is through a command line. Please copy this command line, which is spec equal to apostrophe c drive / space windows / command.com, and we will search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator, and we will paste it here and then we will hit enter. The next solution is to enable the .NET framework. So search for Windows features and then click on turn Windows features on or off. Expand the list for .NET framework in both of these cases and enable all of these and then click on OK. This will enable the .NET framework as well, and eventually it will fix the problem. But if it doesn't, then try restarting your computer after these solutions. Right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.